What's up, team, baby? You guys have to be a little bit quiet because as you can see from the title, I bought my mom a lot of clothes and a pair of shoes, and I'm surprising her. And so I have to be a little bit quieter because right now she's in the shower and I'm doing the intro out here, but I'm going to be trying on all the clothes for you in my room so she doesn't see, obviously, because I'm out here trying on all the clothes and she's going to know that, like, what are those? Because some say like mama bear, things like that. So I just felt like, you know, she never likes to go shopping for herself and spend money on herself, that I wanted to go shopping for her, and I know her style. So I got her a bunch of really cute clothes, like a lot. And then there's a few items in there that you'll see that I got 2 for myself, and then I got her some shoes. So she has a little bit of a smaller foot than me, so I showed them to you instead of trying them on. But I'm so excited to give these to her. Like, it makes me so happy. And this is something that if you want to gift your mom, I'll put the website below. They have so much good stuff that say like mama bear, mom this, mom that, like all this. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna go into my room and try everything on, because that's the other thing, is it's gonna take a long time until I can get her in front of the camera doing a try on haul with me. But when that day comes, that's gonna be one of the best days ever, when we could do a try on haul together. But anyways, I'm so excited to show you guys what I got her. I got her a bunch of stuff, like I said, and her shoes, and I can't wait to see it all on her. She's gonna look so cute. My mom is my queen, my everything, and I would love to do this for her every day. But it's been a while since she got new clothes, so this is gonna just light up her heart. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in my room now, try these on, and I'll see you all on my next video. I love you.
Everything we had, ready for whatever's lying up ahead. We won't stop moving, feels too good for that. So good, feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take. Closer to each other, so much to discover. Getting